Hello, and thank you for your interest in our Language Cert qualifications. This video aims to introduce you to the writing component of the LTE Full Skill qualification. First of all, let's look at the main features of the LTE Writing test. The LTE Writing test aims to assess the test taker's ability to write for a wide variety of work-related purposes. It consists of two tasks assessing writing skills across CFR levels A1 through C2. What the writing test aims to assess in particular is the test taker's control of grammatical knowledge, use of a wide range of vocabulary, as well as ability to carry out a range of language functions. All tasks place emphasis on effective communication. Please note that different varieties of standard English are acceptable. For example, British English or American English. The duration of the writing test is 60 minutes for both the paper-based and computer-based format of the test. Let's now get into more detail. The first task, Task 1, is primarily targeting CFR A1 to B2 level test takers. It is a short guided writing task of about 60 to 100 words, which takes the form of a communicative message. An example will follow. Test takers should be able to complete it in 15 to 20 minutes. The second task, Task 2, is aimed at CFR B1 to C2 level test takers. Test takers are asked to produce a longer piece of writing of approximately 200 to 250 words, which is a brief report, an article, or a review. They should be able to complete it in 40 to 45 minutes. Please note that as regards the format of the LTE writing examination, it's available in paper-based or computer-based format, as well as online with remote live proctoring. Also be informed that no matter which format test takers opt for, the content remains identical and leads to the same certificate. Here are samples of two writing tasks, one from Task 1 and one from Task 2. You will find more examples on our website. What about the writing assessment criteria the assessor will use to evaluate the test taker's written response? There are 4 assessment criteria, the same criteria for both tasks. Task fulfillment, a measure of how far the test taker has achieved or addressed the task and whether the test taker has done what was asked. Accuracy and range of grammar, a measure of the range, accuracy, and appropriacy of grammar. Accuracy and range of vocabulary, a measure of the range, accuracy, and appropriacy of vocabulary, as well as spelling accuracy. Organization, a measure of how coherently ideas are linked together in the text and how accurate the punctuation is. How exactly are test takers marked? As far as Task 1 is concerned, test takers can collect up to 4 marks per criterion. That is, they can collect a maximum of 16 marks. As far as Task 2 is concerned, they can collect up to 5 marks per criterion. In other words, they can collect a maximum of 20 marks for it. Once both tasks have been marked, an overall score is awarded, by adding together the scores of the two tasks. Test takers are also informed about the CFR level they have attained. In the table hereby, you can see the various CFR levels and the corresponding scores test takers need to attain them. As regards the writing component, please note that the results that test takers receive reflect a score out of 100, and all scores are aligned to the 6 CFR levels, A1 through C2.